8:35 is the time right now. Experts are concerned that people who are unemployed right now are suffering more mentally. We spoke with a professor of economics who has studied the psychology of unemployment, and he tells us some people become more emotionally distressed by losing their job. People who don't have a financial buffer, maybe they have young children or are minorities, they can feel like they are less likely to be rehired. Unemployed people are normally optimistic at first, but after a few weeks, feelings of hopelessness or anxiety increase.
That's when I would say that psychological distress really arises, and poor emotional well-being starts to become a footprint of that bout of unemployment.
And that's concerning because, as the director of the New Start Career Network points out, the number of those unemployed long-term has ballooned during this pandemic. Combining the stress of the health emergency with the stress of being unemployed just compounds an already difficult process.
Your self-esteem can take a beating if you apply for jobs and get a series of rejections and you don't know why, or maybe you don't hear anything. So even pre-pandemic, we know how stressful it is.
All right, so let's talk about what you can do to make it a little easier on yourself. The center suggests breaking up your job search and related goals into small, manageable steps, like redoing your resume or building your online presence in chunks. Find activities that reduce stress while looking for full-time employment. Consider part-time or gig work. That's because it's easier to find a job when you already have one.
St. Patrick's Air Force